What would you do if you were just starting to invest in 2026? That's often a question I am asked, and that's what I'm going to answer in this video, give you a 4-step process I recommend you go through so you can start successfully investing in 2026. So my name's Simon Zutshi. I've actually been investing myself for over 30 years. When I first started investing, there was no YouTube, there was no property training, there were no networking. So I tell you what I did and what I do differently now with all the resources available to you. Now, why should you listen to me? Well, there are lots of videos you could watch online. Anyone can put up a video on YouTube, and that's the problem. You don't know how credible or correct that information is. A lot of people who've only been investing for a few years, because they haven't been doing it, they don't have the experience to share with you the problems and the pitfalls because they haven't experienced them personally. So when you are watching content online, check the source. See how long has that person actually been investing? How successful have they been? You want to make sure they have lots and lots of successful people who've learned from them in the first place. And you can check out on my YouTube channel, I've got lots of case studies of our people who've literally changed their life, and they did it much quicker than I did because they didn't have to work it out for themselves. They were able to follow our step-by-step program that helps you build wealth very quickly from property. Now, I want to be careful there. When I talk about building wealth very quickly, that might sound a bit like a get-rich-quick scheme. Let me bust that for you straight away. There is no such thing as a get-rich-quick in property. Yes, you can make money very quickly when you know what to do and when you put lots of time and effort in. The idea of get rich quick suggests, oh, it's easy, you don't put work in. Property investing does require work, it does require time, and it does require effort. And I'm sure some people have stopped watching the video when I've just made that statement. However, now you know that and recognize it, I like to remind you that the benefit about investing in property is although it takes time and effort, you can invest once and then you get paid forever. You see, most people, they have a job, they go to work, and I did. I started my corporate career as a graduate trainee at Cadbury's in 1995, and I'd go to work, I'd get paid each month, I'd come back, and that continued until about 2001 when I was able to leave my job thanks to the income coming in from my property. And I did that pretty much on my own, learning the hard way through trial and terror. And a lot of the lessons I've learned, I said I share on my YouTube channel, on this Property Magic podcast. So I highly recommend that first step is go through this content. Now, once I'd left Cadbury's and I was on my own and I had some properties, I actually found it very, very lonely. You see, all of my friends were working, my family owned their own homes, but they didn't really have investment properties. So no one really understood what I was going through and the challenges I was facing. I was doing personal development training with Tony Robbins, Brian Tracy, and I learned about the importance of environment. And I thought what I really needed was some sort of community, some group I could join with other people who are like me, other property investors who didn't want to settle for a 9-to-5 job for 40 years of their life, who wanted to do something different and make more of their lives. So in 2003, I set up the very first property networking anywhere in the UK for property investors, and I called it the Property Investors Network. I'm actually the founder, the pioneer of property networking here in the UK. And now there are 40 plus network meetings around the UK run by PIN and many, many other local meetings. And I'd really encourage you, step number 2, if you want to be a successful investor, actually get out and go to local network meetings. And the reason you go along is to find other people who are like you, who want to replace your income, who have replaced their income. They've done what you want to achieve. You can learn from them, be inspired by them, and build your personal belief about what's actually possible in property. If you spoke to a friend of yours at work, said, yeah, I want to start investing in property and replace my income in a year or two, they'd probably laugh at you, think you're crazy, and tell you not to waste your time. When you go to a network meeting and speak to other people and share that goal and say, that's amazing, how can we help you? And you'll find other people who've actually done that at that meeting, which means if they've done it, it means you can do it as well. And your self-belief about what's possible and what you can do is absolutely critical to your success. There's a great saying by Henry Ford, the founder of the Ford Motor Company: if you believe you can or believe you can't, you're absolutely right. So your mindset is really, really important. Now, when it comes to mindset, and that's the third thing I think you need to work on, you see, as property investors, we think different to other people. There's only about 2.5 million property investors in the UK with a population of, I think, of 70 million, it means less than 5% of people own rental properties. And we think differently to the normal person who might be an employee. Now, there's nothing wrong with having a job. I absolutely loved my job at Cadbury's. I like the people, I like the product, I like the company. The only thing is I liked my freedom a little bit more. I only got 5 weeks holiday, which just wasn't enough. So when I had the opportunity to leave in 2001, although people thought I was crazy, that's exactly what I did. And I'm really pleased I did that because I've just been leading my own life for the last 26 years, really. To do this, you need to think differently. When you have a job, you turn up to work, you get paid at the end of the month, you go back next month, you get paid again. We get used to this salary. We get used to and addicted to this money coming in every month. And we build our whole lives around that salary. The problem is we only have a certain amount of time to trade for money. And even if you're very well paid, you still have a cap on how much you can earn. You see, as an employee, you're never going to become truly wealthy. Instead, you need to make the transition, and it's a mindset transition as well, from an employee to an owner, someone who owns assets that are making money for you. In this case, we're talking about property. It could also be business. It could be shares. So you've got money coming in, you're an owner, and you're not trading your time for money. That's the secret to truly wealthy people. But here's the problem. You see, as an employee, we're conditioned we should get paid every single month. And when we're an owner, when we run a business, we're investing in property, sometimes we can put months and months of effort in and we don't see any results. And our brain is saying to us, this doesn't work. You should have been rewarded by now. This obviously isn't something you should do. It doesn't work. You should go back to work, do something different. And so often people give up too soon. They give up just before they get the results. And if they persisted, if they kept going, if they've had the training and they're doing the right things, they'll get the results they actually need. So be patient. Don't live in this microwave society where people want everything now, and if it doesn't come now, they think it's not worth it. Investing in property, creating long-term wealth is a long-term investment. So educate yourself, go and network, meet people who can help you, and make sure you're thinking the right way with the right mindset. Now you'll get to a point where actually you probably need a bit of help. And there are a few things you can do. You can invest in yourself, which is the very best investment you can make. Go on a training course to speed up your learning and to save you time. At the end of the day, time is your most scarce and precious resource. You can go and earn more money, but you can't get your time back. So if you can pay someone to teach you what you need to learn in a short amount of space so you don't have the learning curve people would have on their own, if you spend money on that, as long as you implement that learning, you'll get the return on that investment many, many times over. So if you go and do training, you might want someone to help you as a coach. Now, a coach is someone who's not necessarily going to teach you what to do. A coach is someone who can hold you to account. They can support you. They can encourage you, help you move forward. They can hold your hand. They're not necessarily going to teach you. And then you have a mentor, which is a combination of training and also coaching. So if you want some help, think about, okay, where am I stuck? What's going to help me move forward the most? You want to find someone who's done what you want to achieve, who's got great results, and ideally helped many other people achieve the same results. Then that's the right kind of person to train with. If you'd like to get a call with one of my team to see how you can move forward quickly, we're going to put a link in the show notes for you to book a call with the team and have a complimentary strategy call. And in that strategy call, they'll help you understand where do you want to get to. That's the place you start. What's your goal? What are you looking to achieve? Where are you now? And what's the gap between where you want to get to and where you are now? And how do you plug that gap? And what could stop you and how we can help you in that. So click on the link below this video, come and book a call and find out how we can help you move forward much quicker than you thought possible. After all, it took me 8 years to replace my income, doing it on my own, trying to work it out. And now some of our clients have replaced their income in as little as 12 months, 10 times faster than I was able to do it, simply because they were following a proven system instead of having to work it out themselves. So if you want to be successful in property, you can absolutely achieve all of your dreams if only you commit to your success, get the right knowledge, support, and mindset around you, and you can be a truly successful investor. That's what I would do if I was starting to invest in 2026. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to make sure you get notified anytime a new video comes out. Until the next episode of the Property Magic Podcast, invest with knowledge, invest with skill.